If you're looking for a festive side dish, then you are not going to want to miss this video. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, today we are going to be making the perfect side dish or even an appetizer for the upcoming holidays. It's perfect for Thanksgiving. It is definitely festive for Christmas. We're going to be making sweet potato rounds with cranberry, pecans, and feta cheese on top. And I know you're thinking, oh, but I promise you're going to love it. So let's go ahead, go over all the ingredients, and then we'll get started. I have some chopped pecans, black pepper, sea salt, brown sugar, cinnamon, olive oil, feta cheese, dried cranberries, and 2 large sweet potatoes, and that's all the ingredients we're going to be using. Alrighty, so I went ahead and sliced my sweet potatoes up. As you can see, they're not overly thick, they're just about a ½ inch round. And they are hard to slice, just an FYI. Alright, now I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil on them. I do have a little olive oil brush that I'm going to make sure I get it on all of the potatoes. So we're just going to brush each potato with the olive oil. I have my oven on. I am preheating it to 425, so I have that on now, so it'll be ready when I'm ready. All right. And now we're just going to go ahead and add a little bit of sea salt. Just sprinkle a little bit over top. Then we're going to sprinkle a little bit of pepper. Oh, that one got a little too much on it. A little too much on that one there. Alrighty, now I'm going to go ahead and flip them over and do the same thing for the other side. This one's a little bit thicker than I wanted. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for this one, but I need to wash my hands real quick. Alrighty, so I went ahead and just flipped them real quick and added the olive oil, salt, and pepper. Now we're going to take our cinnamon, and this just goes on the top. And we're just going to lightly sprinkle them with some cinnamon. The pepper was making me sneeze. Okay, and now I have 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and we're just going to sprinkle that on top. Just like that. Just want to make sure you get those little lumps out if you have any. My goodness, it's smelling good now, and I haven't even put them in the oven. Alrighty. Oh, alrighty. Let me wash my hands real quick. Take care of my nose. And then we're going to go ahead and put these in the oven. Alrighty, everything's taken care of now. Alright, my oven has come up to temperature, 425. We're going to put these in the oven for about 22 to 28 minutes. We'll check them about the 22 mark. Alrighty, so I have a 1/3 cup of chopped pecans in here. I have a 1/3 cup of dried cranberries, and I have a ½ cup of feta cheese. We're just going to mix that together. And I still have about 16 minutes to go. We're just going to mix this together really well. And then when they are done, I'm going to throw these in the microwave for about 15 seconds, and it'll soften up the cranberries a little bit. And then we're going to sprinkle this on top of our sweet potatoes. But we're not going to do that until we're ready to serve. Okay, look at that. Isn't that pretty? All right, so I'm going to put this aside, and then when we're done with the sweet potatoes and they're nice and tender, we'll go ahead and top it. Alrighty, 22 minutes have been up. It smells amazing in here, I can tell you that. Oh, nice. I'm going to let them go just for about 3 more minutes, and I think we're going to be good. Okay, we are done. Where's my pot holder? There we go. There we go. Alrighty. So we're going to let these sit just for a little bit, just to cool down a little bit. Excuse me. Not till they're room temperature, just to cool down just a tiny bit. And then we'll go ahead and add our topping and see what they taste like. Alrighty, so I have myself a little tray here. We're going to go ahead and put these on there now. They are just warm. Don't need that on there. I think my tray might be a little too big for all of these. I don't know. We'll have to see. Leave the one on the tray for my little taste test. Alrighty, look at that. Now I'm going to go ahead and throw this in the microwave for about 10 seconds. Alrighty, so now we're just going to go ahead and put this on top. Sprinkle some right on top there. Alrighty, my friends. And if you want, you can garnish a little bit with some thyme. This is to give it a festive look. Alrighty, and there we have it. I will do some close-up pictures at the end, but we're going to try one of these and see what we think. Alright, my friends, so here we go. Let's bite into this. Delicious. Oh my. Very different from the traditional Thanksgiving sweet potatoes. But it is good. Especially if you're a feta lover. Absolutely delicious. And friends, if you want to make it a little bit sweeter, because it is not overly sweet, drizzle a little bit of honey on top, and that'll give it that extra sweetness if you want. But it is the perfect side dish or festive appetizer. So friends, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And apparently there's a new thing that you can do. When a video is kind of new, you can hype the video, and what that does is if you hit the hype button, it sends it out to more people for me. I am trying to reach 5,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I am just like 200 shy of meeting that goal or a little bit less. So I would really appreciate it if you hit the hype button, hit the thumbs up, hit that little subscribe button, share it on your page, whatever you can do. I would absolutely love that. So friends, that'll do it for today. And oh, by the way, check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much. Catch up with you next time. Bye.